Welcome to the Introduction to Robinhood Error 401. This common issue occurs when the app detects that your access request lacks valid authentication credentials. The 401 unauthorized error is an HTTP status code that signals problems with your login credentials or active session in the Robinhood app. This guide will walk you through the steps to understand and resolve this authentication issue, ensuring you can access your account securely. The root cause of Error 401 unauthorized in Robinhood often lies in problems with OAuth 2.0 tokens. OAuth 2.0 is a standard authorization protocol that allows the app to access your data securely without sharing your credentials directly. These tokens are short-lived keys that grant the app temporary permission to access your account information. These tokens act as temporary access passes. The 401 error specifically arises when this access token becomes invalid, either because it's expired, been revoked, or there's some other authentication issue. For security purposes, Robinhood's access tokens expire every 24 hours. This means users need to re-authenticate periodically to maintain access to their accounts, helping prevent unauthorized access if a token were compromised. Several factors can trigger the Error 401 unauthorized issue in Robinhood. These include incorrect passwords, unverified email addresses, cached data conflicts on your device, bugs within the Robinhood app itself, especially after updates, VPN interference, or even network outages disrupting secure connections. One common trigger is incorrect passwords. When users enter the wrong login credentials, the authentication fails. Another trigger is unverified email addresses. If your email isn't confirmed, it prevents proper authentication. Cached data conflicts on your device can also trigger this error. Old stored data might interfere with authentication. Bugs within the Robinhood app itself, particularly after updates, can cause this error due to software glitches. VPN interference is another trigger. Using a VPN can disrupt the secure connections needed for authentication. Finally, network outages can trigger the error by disrupting the secure connections required for authentication. While 401 errors can be frustrating, they serve a crucial security purpose in protecting your Robinhood account. These authentication failures act as a barrier against unauthorized access, ensuring that only you can access your financial information and execute trades. This aligns with strict financial security regulations that require apps like Robinhood to maintain robust authentication measures, helping prevent potential breaches and fraud. Understanding this protective role can make troubleshooting these errors feel more worthwhile, as they contribute to keeping your investments safe. The first step in troubleshooting Robinhood Error 401 is to double-check your credentials. Verify that you're using the correct username, which is your email address, and ensure your password is entered accurately. A common mistake is having caps lock activated, which can cause password entry errors. Always check that caps lock is turned off before attempting to log in. Additionally, if you've recently changed your password, make sure the app has been updated with the new credentials. The app may still be using an old password, triggering the authentication error. A basic fix for the Error 401 is to restart the Robinhood app. Completely close the app, don't just minimize it, and then reopen it. This can resolve temporary glitches that cause authentication issues. Make sure to force close the app, especially on iOS devices. On iOS devices, swipe up from the bottom and pause to see app previews, then swipe up on the Robinhood app to force close it. On Android devices, go to App Settings, select Robinhood, and tap Force Stop. After force closing, reopen the app to complete the restart process. On Android devices, clearing the app cache can resolve Error 401 issues. Start by opening your Settings app. Navigate to Apps, find Robinhood, then tap Storage to access cache options. In Storage, tap Clear Cache first, then Clear Data. This removes temporary files and app data that may be corrupted. Important, clearing data will log you out and require re-authentication. This is a crucial step for fixing authentication errors. If clearing the cache doesn't resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Robinhood app from the App Store. This process ensures you get the most recent version of the app and can resolve any corrupted installation files that might be causing the error. To resolve Error 401 unauthorized, Ensure your email address linked to your Robinhood account is verified. This helps maintain secure authentication. First, check your email inbox for a verification message from Robinhood. This email contains a link to confirm your account. If you don't see it in your inbox, look in your spam or junk folder. Sometimes verification emails end up there. Once you find the email, click the verification link to complete the process and secure your account access. Enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an essential extra layer of security to your Robinhood account. This security measure helps prevent unauthorized access and can significantly reduce occurrences of error code 401 unauthorized. To get started, open the Robinhood app and navigate to your account settings. Look for the Security and Privacy section, which is where you'll find the two-factor authentication options. Robinhood offers two main methods for 2FA. The Authenticator app method is generally more secure as it generates codes offline without relying on your phone's cellular service. Alternatively, you can choose SMS verification, where you'll receive a code via text message to your registered phone number. Once enabled, 2FA will require you to verify your identity each time you log in, providing stronger protection against unauthorized access and helping to minimize 401 errors. VPNs and proxy services can sometimes interfere with Robinhood's authentication process by masking your location or disrupting secure connections. VPNs create a secure tunnel that might trigger Robinhood's security protocols, thinking your location has changed unexpectedly. Proxy services route your connection through intermediary servers, which can complicate the authentication handshake. When a VPN masks your location, it can cause Robinhood to flag the login as suspicious. The simple fix is to temporarily disable VPN or proxy services and try logging in again. If none of the troubleshooting steps you've tried have resolved the error 401 unauthorized issue, it's time to reach out to Robinhood's customer support team for personalized assistance. Robinhood's support team has the expertise to diagnose the specific cause of your authentication problem and provide targeted solutions for your account. When you contact support, make sure to provide detailed information about the error message you received and all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. This information will help the support team quickly identify the issue and guide you through the appropriate resolution steps. Enable biometric logins like Face ID or fingerprint scanning for a smoother and more secure login experience. Go to your Robinhood account settings to set up biometric authentication. This can reduce the frequency of 401 errors. OAuth 2.0 is the authorization protocol that Robinhood uses to securely grant access to your account without requiring you to share your password directly. At the heart of OAuth 2.0 are access tokens, which are temporary credentials that allow the app to interact with your account on your behalf. These tokens are designed to expire regularly, typically every 24 hours, to enhance security and prevent unauthorized access if a token is compromised. Password security is crucial for protecting your Robinhood account from unauthorized access. Weak passwords are one of the most common ways hackers gain entry to financial accounts. A strong password should be unique to your Robinhood account and follow key guidelines for maximum security. This table shows how password length and complexity affect cracking time. Longer passphrases are much more secure than short, complex passwords. Never reuse passwords from other websites. If one site gets breached, hackers can try those same credentials on your Robinhood account. Consider using a password manager to generate and securely store complex passwords. This eliminates the need to remember multiple strong passwords. Password managers like Keeper can generate cryptographically secure passwords and store them safely. They also alert you to weak or reused passwords. Following these password best practices significantly reduces your risk of account compromise and helps keep your investments secure. If you repeatedly fail to log in, Robinhood might temporarily lock your account as a security measure to protect against unauthorized access attempts. The login screen will display an error message indicating your account is temporarily locked, preventing further login attempts until you follow the recovery process. To unlock your account, carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided by Robinhood. This typically involves verifying your identity through email, phone, or other security questions to ensure it's really you attempting to access the account. If the automated recovery process doesn't resolve the lock, reach out to Robinhood's customer support team. They can help verify your identity and manually unlock your account. Avoid making additional login attempts during this process to prevent further complications. Most importantly, once you receive the account lock notification, immediately stop attempting to log in. Continued attempts can prolong the lock period and may require additional verification steps from Robinhood's security team. Robinhood is piloting AI-driven authentication to preempt 401 errors by automatically refreshing tokens based on user behavior. Keep an eye out for these improvements, which should reduce the frequency of login issues. Regulatory changes are significantly impacting how financial apps like Robinhood handle user authentication. As governments worldwide implement stricter security regulations, companies must enforce more frequent authentication checks. This means users might encounter 401 unauthorized errors more often, as the system requires re-verification of credentials to comply with laws designed to protect consumer data and prevent unauthorized access. For example, the EU's Digital Markets Act requires tech companies to maintain high standards of data protection and user verification. This regulation specifically targets digital platforms, including financial apps, to ensure they implement robust security measures that can sometimes result in more authentication prompts for users. While these regulatory requirements might seem inconvenient, causing more frequent logins or 401 errors, they are essential for maintaining the security and integrity of your financial accounts. The increased authentication helps prevent unauthorized access and protects against potential security breaches in an increasingly connected digital world. When using third-party apps that connect to Robinhood's API, authentication is handled through API keys. This diagram shows how API keys connect the app developer, the application, and the API producer to enable data access. Long-lived API keys are essential for stable connections, but they must be implemented correctly to avoid errors. If API keys are mishandled, users may see HTTP error 401 unauthorized, indicating failed authentication. To resolve this, always refer to the third-party app developer's documentation for proper API key setup and usage instructions. In summary, by following the troubleshooting steps we've covered, you can effectively resolve Robinhood Error Code 401 unauthorized. These steps include checking your credentials, restarting the app, clearing cache, and verifying your network connection. Always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Keep your Robinhood app and device operating system updated to prevent authentication issues. If you continue to experience persistent 401 errors despite trying these solutions, don't hesitate to contact Robinhood support. They can provide personalized assistance and help resolve any account-specific issues.